Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve OverTheWire Krypton lab. Firstly we have to connect to our virtual machine via SSH. So we'll go from level 0 to level 1. So in level 0 they have given us information that the password would be a string which is encoded using base 64, and this is the string, and using this password we have to log into. They have given us the domain along with the username and also the port, SSH port. So let's open our virtual machine. So now as we have to move towards level 1 from level 0, we'll use the username as Krypton1. Now they're asking for the password. So this is the string. Let's convert it. So we are using a random base 64 decoder here. So let's paste our string here and decode it. So this is the password, which is Krypton is great in all caps. So we'll paste it here. Okay, so now we have got access to it. Let's see what directories we have. So currently we do not have any directory. So in the instructions they told us to go to the Krypton directory. Let's see. Okay, so we are in the Krypton directory now. So we have folders. So we have Krypton 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 folders in total. So to move towards the level 2, we'll have to move we have to open. So we have moved from level 0 to level 1 now. Now we'll have to move from level 1 to level 2, and for that we need to see what's there in the Krypton 1 folder. So they have given us a readme and also a file named Krypton2. Let's see if we can open it. Okay, so we have a random string here. Let's see what's in the readme. Okay, so they have told us that welcome to Krypton. This game is intended to give hands-on experience with cryptography. The levels progress from classic ciphers to modern, easy to harder. Although there are excellent public tools like Cryptool to perform the simple analysis, we strongly encourage you to try to do these without them for now. We will use them in later exercises. Please try these levels without Cryptool first. The first level is easy. The password for level 2 is in the file Krypton2. So this is the password, I am guessing, and it is encrypted using a simple rotation called ROT13. It is also non-standard ciphertext format, so when using alpha characters for ciphertext, it is normal to group the letters into 5-letter clusters regardless of the word boundaries. Okay, so this helps obfuscate any patterns, and this file has to be kept the plain text word boundaries and carried them into the ciphertext. Okay, so they have used a encrypted method, like a simple rotation encrypted method, which is called ROT13. So now we'll have to figure out somehow how to decrypt it. So let's see what they have given us on their website. So it's the same thing that they gave in the readme file. Let's see if we can get ROT13 decoder. Okay. But before moving towards like directly decoding through ROT13, let's first understand what exactly is ROT13. So that is it for this video now. In the next video, I'll explain what exactly is ROT13 cipher, how to decrypt it, and how to get into level 2 of Krypton Lab. Thank you.